And to the future selves, since we'll hear this one day, God, I hope you're looking good. Hope you got a six-pack, Jason.
Hope you're still alive, Terry.
If not, we'll be playing this at the funeral and to Terry's family. Just know we all had a good time. It was alright, except when Chapman got a little ahead of
What did
him
you say?
sometimes.
What did you say? Hope you got a six-pack, Jason. What did you say, Terry?
I said,
Terry just hopes he's alive. Yeah, yeah. Are we gonna die? Well, it's snowing now. Now it's the climate change stuff is going on now too.
Dude, what do you think, dude, if we all, like, us three, like, I'll seriously believe I'm probably going to be the first one to die.
I believe that too, because I'm trying
If
to
you're willing to, like, bet money on it, like, 10
Hell,
grand,
you want to do a
who do you
Deadpool,
think
bro?
would be, like, the first person that would die?
We could do a Deadpool, bro.
Or Terry, dude.
Last one standing.
last one standing gets the money?
Yeah. Last one
That
standing
sounds
gets
kinda
$100
cool.
bucks. Or whatever, you know, like whatever money, you don't want to make too much, bro. Like,
It's like $300 bucks.
It's just our own comical, fucked up thing for ourselves.
We're all
you know,
sad
like,
as fuck. We lose Terry, he gets shot up, and we're like,
Fuck yeah!
at least I got
$100 bucks.
But you
He's
get
like, got
$100 bucks.
200 more bucks.
You're gonna be in the crosshairs of my rifle for
Like,
$100 bucks. Let's get that ashtray over here, dude, so I can dump two, please.
like fucking 10 grand or something if we're gonna bet on life.
How about we add in $20 every year?
Fuck.
$20 every year, and then by the time we're in our 60s, and
That's gonna be
when we're in our 280-year-old
No,
birthday.
dude, what I
The
say,
future.
out of us three, no matter what, dude, whatever year cap it is, like 2000, 2020, 2030, 2040, whatever it is, dude,
That's gonna end up being
whoever passes away first, you just put 10,000 into it. So, like, make a badass funeral and fucking, like,
Okay, you're thinking.
color
I like
guard
that
and
idea.
shit.
We put the money in the last person alive does something in memory of all of us.
Yeah. So, like, if I die first, Turner will put, like, 10,000 into mine, make a badass funeral. Then, when he dies, then you fucking do the same thing.
Wait, that's
Or,
a
like,
lot.
whatever
That's a
order
lot.
it is.
Isn't that what life insurance is for?
Are
Are we starting life insurance companies right now?
I'm getting all patriotic.
What I'm thinking is, we put money into this pot, and when we die, dude, you're ashing on yourself over there, shit on the bed, bro,
You
right
don't
in your
even
crotch.
care, like.
God damn. All right, anyways, we put this money in the pot, and when we die, when each person, and the last person standing, it's got to be the last person standing. They get the pot, and it has to involve drinking, smoking, straight West Coasting. That's what our life's about, bro. We've been drinking, smoking, straight West Coasting, Okinawa coasting, all types of coasting our whole lives. But we're all West Coasters over here.
Yeah.
What do you think though? Like,
About what?
how would you make that bet?
Chapman, grab that.
Smoke, dude. My bad.
Hold this. Good.
My bad.
Well, bro, it's not really that difficult. All you gotta do is, if you're the last one standing, you make sure you do something, bro. Like, shit. Go out, go to a bar, you know, go fucking get drunk, go get fucking high as fuck, you know, like shit. Just go
Who do you
something
think out of all of us
celebration,
is
you know,
gonna-
like shit.
We need to have an envelope.
Who do
An
you think
envelope.
out of all of us is gonna grow up to be like the grandpa? I say this guy.
Terry.
I think
I can see
think
a Grandpa Terry.
I think Turner.
I think you, bro.
You know, and back in
Honestly,
Mexico.
all of us.
And back in
All of us.
Mexico.
We're gonna be grandpas. We're just gonna be some old school ass grandpas smoking joints out on our porch. This guy's gonna be blacked out all the time.
We're just cruising down, getting all stoned all the time. Go down and hit up Terry, get all fucking stoned.
Yep. We're gonna make fun of the way our grandkids get high because they're gonna be doing some weird ass shit that's just
Yeah.
super easy. There'll be no character in it.
We'll all
you don't build character rolling the joint.
we'll all be back in the day when we were all in the fucking Marines together.
They're gonna be like, Grandpa, you
We'll
guys
be all
roll joints?"
hardcore, huh? We were all in the fucking Marines together.
They'd be like, Grandpa, you guys
Me and
roll
Turner
joints?"
will come down to come see you, too, Terry. 'Cause I know you don't get out much, but we'll come see you, dude.
We're gonna. He's gonna come over in Idaho this summer.
Yeah, bro. I plan on being back. I don't plan on being broke forever, alright? I got plans to get money, and I got money coming, alright?
Dude, you're making money going to school,
Starts
dude.
rolling.
You're making money going to school, dude. You're making money, dude.
I just barely started.
You do make money. Giabilo's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a nice little pocket. So.
When I was getting it going to BC, it was pretty tight, but I ain't going to that school no more.
So can I do like because like I'm about to take like a tribe loan. Dude, the house, it's like $100,000 house. They're like,
dude, this is the most intense part of the movie. Yeah.
Like if you get
it down.
Like if you get a loan,
they don't die.
If you get a loan on it, that covers that
on a house.
Yeah,
with the GI Bill.
Yeah,
that was my original plan. But the thing is,
no, not with the GI Bill. Just
GI Bill.
The tribe.
You get about $100,000 if you use the whole GI Bill. In an expensive place, and I was like, damn, you could pretty much buy a house like that. But
so like me,
not where you're making.
You think I could go? You think I can go do like a VA home loan or whatever?
Any veteran can go do a VA home loan.
Get like $115,000. They would just approve it for me.
I don't know. If maybe it goes up your credit. It's what you qualify for. The VA home loan allows you to not have a down payment, and that's nice. You don't have to have a down payment.
But then the tribe pays like. Tribe pays my tribe pays like $10,000 on a down payment. I'm not gonna use the VA.
You're gonna be fine. Aren't you getting your auntie's house?
I had to use a tribe. Yeah, I'll use a tribe.
For what? Aren't you getting your auntie's house? Is it paid for?
I mean,
where are you looking?
No, like
he's looking in his brain.
The house. No, the house. The house is paid for, but like.
It's like gears are turning in Chapman's mind right now.
No, it's like $150,000 house. So like,
you got to make payment like land payments, property tax payments. Is that what it is, or is it mortgage payments?
Mortgage.
So you're taking over her mortgage.
The house is already paid for, but if she had passed it on to the tribe member, but like her
for the record, it is barely 11:30. Chapman, how much have you? We're not going to put that on the record.
I'd like a beer too.
We're pretty lit. It started at 7:30 a.m. What's wrong? What's wrong? I wouldn't say what's wrong with us. What's wrong with you? Wake up, pour a glass of whiskey. All right, guys, let's get this day started.
Crack a beer.
Yo, I'm trying to get some sleep. I'm like, we're trying to drive to the coast.
I'm over here like
waking my ass up. Hey, Turner, time to wake up. Here's your beer. Jesus. Last day before you guys fly back, though. Gotta go hard.